Hi everyone, today we will not repair, but instead we will talk about BMS, Battery Management System. So I have here battery from laptop, two kinds of battery. These are defective batteries. So each of them has its battery management system board or circuit. So this is one of the sample of battery management system. I took this from the defective battery of laptop, and I bought this BMS also, 12.6 volt, 4.2 volts each of the battery, and I have also here for 3.7, so output is 11.1, but basically this will generate 12 volts. I have a motor controller, so later on I will explain about it. Why do I have motor controller? And next video I will show you what will I do to this defective receiver of wireless microphone. Okay, but before that, timpla muna tayo ng tea. Okay, ito po yung tea natin. Isang butil ng hibiscus. Of course, the tea. And then hot water. Then maybe 1.5 teaspoon of honey. Recently, hindi po naging maganda yung health natin, kaya kailangan natin mga healthy diet like this one. Ito na po yung tea na ginawa natin. Masyadong red dahil to sa hibiscus. So let's talk about battery management system. Okay. Without BMS, with BMS or battery management system, pansin nyo, tatlong battery in a series that will give us 12 volts. So 4 volts, 4 volts, 4 volts. Now, kapag i-charge natin ang nakaseries na 4 volts battery using the 12 volts charger, ang mangyayari po, pwede po mag-overcharge ang battery natin. Okay? Isa yon sa pwede magiging resulta. Pangalawa is, pwede siya magkaroon ng imbalance charging. Okay? Kasi wala nga nagko-control sa charging sa kanila. Pangatlo is, pwedeng magkaroon ng damage or masisira po yung battery natin. Okay? And possible, pinaka-worst is, pwede siya mag-explode. Okay? That is without the BMS. But with BMS, as you can see, so each of the battery, nakakontrol po yung charging niya. So, sample si battery 1, controlled po yung charging ng battery 1, battery 2, and battery 3. But the same thing, we are using the 12 volts charger. And then this is the input of the charging. Okay. And then, now this is the output. It will charge the battery 1. It will charge the battery 2. It will charge the battery 3. But overall, if we want to get 12 volts out from this, so kukuha tayo from 0 volts, okay, gagawa tayo ng 0 volts, and then kukuha din tayo dito sa 12 volts. So basically, ang output is dito, okay, and then we have now the 12 volts battery in series rechargeable. So, yun po yung explanation natin. So, controlled po yung charging ng each of the battery. At saka balance po yung charge ng battery natin. So, saan natin makikita yung BMS? Sa battery ng laptop na naka-series. Okay. Ito. And then, pwede din natin makita ito sa mga other devices na nakaseries yung battery in 12 volts and then charging them using the 12 volts charger. So, yun lang po. Salamat po sa pag-watch. Hope you like this video. Please follow, like, comment, share, and subscribe po sa YouTube channel namin. Thank you. God bless.